We're entering one of the most critical phases in the Spotify Camp Nou. With UEFA's deadline fast approaching, the pressure is on to finish key elements across the site. And today's update is packed with movement, access updates, concrete pours, and some surprising visual changes. One of the first things you'll notice is the installation of new access doors, not just in the Tribuna zone anymore, but now showing up in Gol Sur and other key areas of the stadium. We're also seeing more glass panel frames being installed near shop areas, while support brackets for future walls and enclosures are now spread across multiple zones. Meanwhile, temporary railings and fences are being placed around staircases, likely preparing them for matchday safety checks. Massive concrete activity is happening in several zones. Steel rebar and formwork panels are now in place around stairways, corridors, and outer walkways. Workers are preparing large areas of slabs with safety nets, ready for upcoming pours. The VIP section flooring is also being concreted, with full panel coverage underway. Also, prefabricated stair structures are nearly complete, with only handrails missing in several parts. In Gol Norte, we're seeing a surge of activity. New reinforcement cages and columns have gone up fast. Some were poured just a day ago. On the upper level, collaborative floor slabs are nearly completed in the corner zone, and protective netting is being installed to support more precast panels. Meanwhile, in the Diamante, diamond area, the formwork installation is almost finished. Final slab reinforcement and concrete work could begin in just a few days. Back in Tribuna, more plasterboard support frames are being placed, which means the stadium's internal walls are about to take shape. Waterproofing layers are being applied to the floors, and the remaining uncovered areas are being treated with primer in preparation for tiling, finishing, or insulation. New New Jersey barriers have been placed at key access points, hinting at upcoming inspections or matchday readiness tests. On the field level, artificial turf is now being placed on the outer areas around the natural pitch, filling the gaps and completing the full playing surface environment. There's also clear materials staging happening across various corners. Precast panels, protective railings, and block stacks being positioned for upcoming weeks. Every corner of Camp Nou is moving horizontally and vertically. And that's your update for today. Access doors installed, slabs being poured, turf going down. Every detail is pushing Camp Nou one step closer to being ready for September. If you found this update helpful, hit like, subscribe to Sports Render, and drop a comment below. Will Barca get the green light from UEFA in time? We'll be watching it all closely, so stay tuned.